Your experience of 1 second is not the same as everyone else's. For the GPS satellites orbiting Earth, time literally runs faster. Their internal clocks must be corrected by about 38 microseconds every day to prevent your GPS from telling you that you are kilometers away from your actual location. This isn't a mechanical error, it's a feature of space-time. Similarly, particles called muons, created in the upper atmosphere, should decay before reaching the ground. Yet, we detect them. From their high-speed perspective, their journey is so short that they survive. Time for them has slowed to a crawl. The universe seems to act differently when it isn't being watched. In the double-slit experiment, a single particle of light can behave like a wave, passing through two slits at once to create an interference pattern on a screen behind them. It's a smear of possibilities. But place a detector at the slits to see which path the particle takes, and the game changes. The wave behavior vanishes. The particle chooses a single slit, like a ball thrown through a hole. The mere act of gaining information about its path forces reality to pick a side. It's as if the universe holds its breath until a measurement is made. Your attention acts as a personal time-warping device. Think of a life-threatening moment, like a car crash. Many report that time seems to slow down, allowing them to see events in extreme detail. This isn't time itself changing, but your brain's recording process going into overdrive. The brain devotes enormous resources to processing the novel, threatening information, creating a denser memory of the event. When you play back that memory, the sheer amount of detail makes the event feel longer than it was. Your focus, your observation, literally stretched your perception of that moment. What if time isn't a river we travel on, but a landscape we illuminate with our consciousness? Relativity warps it. Quantum mechanics makes it probabilistic until observed, and our brains stretch and squeeze it. These clues point towards a radical idea. Perhaps time doesn't actually pass. The block universe theory suggests that all moments, past, present, and future, exist simultaneously, just like all frames of a movie exist on the reel at once. Our conscious observation might be the projector light, moving through the frames and creating the experience of a flowing story. Without an observer, there might be no now, no then, just a static, timeless reality.